don't need it. Well, I don't know what they want in district, but
In district, they definitely want to see him. Yeah.
I mean, judge typically wants to see you here too, but if it doesn't work, it doesn't work.
I'm sorry, but I just got a notification saying this is streaming live on YouTube.
Oh yeah, that's normal.
Good morning. This is call number 2018-28143 in the interest of Reuben Tibbs Jr. All parties, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I
do.
Okay, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Miss Sandra Aguilar, and I'm his mother.
And sir, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Reuben Tibbs, and I'm the father.
And for the state,
Marcella Turner.
we have a suit for modification of court order and motion to confirm support or rearage. What are we doing today with that?
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm attorney North Shatlett. I represent Reuben Tibbs, and I'm here just to tell you that we have filed a motion to modify in district court. So I would like the case to be referred to district court or reset until we can hear it. We actually have a temporary orders hearing set for the end of the month. So I just don't
Motion to modify what, Ms. Shatley?
conservatorship, possession, and access. I'm sorry, tripping on my words.
Okay,
And child support.
Okay, and you represent whom?
Mr. Tibbs, Reuben
Okay.
Tibbs.
There is now presently a custody modification pending.
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you have a hearing set for that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, then this case is transferred to the 257th District Court.
Thank you, Your
Thank you, Your
Honor.
Honor.
Thank you.
May we be dismissed?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Counselor, I will file the paperwork, okay?
Great, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, this is cause number 2014-68822 in the interest of Ryan Vandegrift. All parties in this matter, please raise your right hands to be sworn. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
I do.
All right. Ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Robin Vandegrift. I am the mother.
All right. And sir, your name and your relationship to the child.
Christopher Vandegrift, the father.
All right. For the state.
Marcella Turner.
And we have a suit for modification of child support order. What are we doing today?
Your Honor, after an attempted negotiation, Ms. Vandegrift has requested a reset to hire counsel. Ms. Vandegrift was not in agreement with that reset. And in addition to that, Your Honor, after the court makes its order regarding the reset, the state is asking that the court admonish Mr. Vandegrift as to making sure that his financial documents, his most recent check stubs, leading up until the next court date for the year of 2021 at the next setting.
Okay, hold on. Let me pull up this case.
Just let me know when I can speak.
I will, sir. Okay, Mr. Vandergriff, go ahead.
Yes, sir. So, Your Honor, I have provided all documents requested to me as per this case that was filed on October 16th of 2020. And today they were asking for more documents, is why I just don't have those documents. But I have provided everything that I was asked for as per the time that this request was filed in the courts on that date, sir.
Your Honor, may I respond?
Yes, ma'am.
The information that was provided by Mr. Vandergriff were the tax returns for the year of 2020 and all of his check stubs for the year of 2020. As we are currently in the year of 2021, in April of 2021, when this case comes back to court, assuming this court grants the reset, they will be appearing in June, which will be of another year. Where we've asked Mr. Vandergriff to provide the most recent check stubs so that when we make the calculations regarding child support, it will be based off of a full recent picture of his current income, as opposed to income that has already taken place in the year of 2020, as we are currently in 2021.
I
So
understand.
can I respond to that?
Yes, sir.
So my response to that is, again, I gave all the information that was requested of me. And here we are. It seems like wasting the court's time.
Oh, you want to have a hearing today?
I'm just saying I provided all the information that was requested of me, Your Honor.
Yes, sir, but it's my understanding that you're asking to have the case reset.
I'm not understanding really what that means.
In other words, not have a hearing today. Are you opposed?
I have provided all the information
No,
needed.
no.
for
Answer my
today.
question, sir.
Okay.
Are you asking that this case be reset for some reason to another date?
If they're needing more information, Your Honor, I don't have that information available.
No.
They have
Okay.
all the
Now,
information needed.
you're not listening to me.
Okay.
Are you asking that this case be reset from today for another day in the future?
I believe all information needed is for a hearing today, sir.
Question is, are you asking for this matter to be reset, which means to be set for another day? That's a yes or no answer, sir.
I have asked, I really don't understand what's in what's happening here, honestly.
What is it? What part of my question do you not understand?
So they have asked me to provide more.
No. What part of my question? Forget about the other stuff. What part of my question do you not understand?
I did not realize I was asking for another future date, Your Honor.
Oh, you are not then. Is that correct?
I'm not completely understanding what this all is right now.
Okay, so we're going to have a hearing today, Ms. Turner. That's my understanding. Okay.
Your Honor, if I may, since there seems to be some confusion, how I'm unaware, at this time, the state would like to move to request the reset so that we can obtain additional income verification documents, since Mr. Vandergriff is willing to submit the information.
I think that all
Wait a minute, sir. Wait a minute.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ms. Turner, why can't we have a hearing today?
Your Honor, we do not have the current income necessary to be able to calculate the child support based off of what we have and what he has.
What do you have? They're
We
asking.
only have 2020, which was submitted by Mr. Vandergriff. We are wanting to do our own investigation to receive the most recent information, as we believe it might be being withheld for the purposes of not providing a full picture of this modification.
Not at all.
It was
Okay.
my understanding that in the process of negotiations, it was stated by Mr. Vandergriff to Attorney Sharma, a representative of the state, that he did not want an increase. And so we believe Mr. Vandergriff is not willing to provide the most recent check stubs because perhaps there might be income that has not been shown on the 2020 information.
I'd like to respond.
Okay, go ahead, sir.
So I have provided all documentation as requested from the date that I was served. I'm not hiding anything. I don't. Everything is there that they need. Yes, I do. I do not think I should get an increase. I pay $1,000 a month, but I have provided everything that was asked to me just because of COVID and delays and things. Now here we are in April of 2021. That doesn't change the fact of the date that this was originally filed, and the information that I provided was for those dates, Your Honor.
Your
All
Honor,
right.
may I respond?
Yes, ma'am.
When a modification is filed, the information that may have been relevant at the time the modification was filed is something that will be considered. However, what is currently required is the information as it relates to income the day you step foot in court. It would be no different than someone saying, I requested a modification back in last year, and last year I was unemployed, but now when I've gotten to court in April, I'm in, but it's not fair that they're able to look at the income from today's date,
So responding to that,
what was happening in last year. It's the same scenario.
Let me say something for clarification. So, Mr. Vandegrift
sir,
submitted payroll stubs or vouchers or whatever received by him within the last 6 months from the date that he was served.
Yes,
Is
sir.
that correct, Mr. Vandegrift?
Yes,
Okay,
sir,
well,
that is correct.
all right, you have to bring it up to date, sir.
Okay, I can. I just don't have that information today.
Okay,
I didn't know that I needed that information, sir.
okay.
I only was prepared
I
to
understand. I understand. I
what I
understand.
did in the past.
Okay, so I'm going to give you some time to get that information so you can bring it up. How long will it take you to get information that would, where you could bring up your last 6 months of
So it's just a request that
paperwork?
I'm sorry, it's just a
Go ahead.
request that I need to make within HR department, and not knowing what the COVID delays, I'm not sure, but it's just a simple request. It's an email
All
that I
right.
need to send.
I'm offering to give you whatever time you need.
Well, it's been since October since I was served, and we're 6 months later now, Your Honor.
Did you hear what I said? I'll give you however much time that you need to get the information to bring it up to date. How much time do you think you need?
A
happy.
maximum of 30 days. But again, I am willing to do whatever we need to do today. I don't know of any reason why not to pause this and waste the court's time.
All right, what have you got? How about May 13th, Mr. Vandegrift? Is that agreeable to you?
Yes, sir, Your Honor. Just let me write that down and let me know exactly what I need to do so I don't hold anything up.
Well, you need to submit, as my understanding is from Ms. Turner, the latest 6 months of your income stubs. Is that what you're seeking, Ms. Turner?
That's correct, Your Honor,
I
leading
mean,
up to May
I s-
13th.
well, you probably won't have it up to May 13th, but do you get copies of your paycheck stub, Mr. Vandegrift?
No, sir, I don't. It's all electronic. I don't even see my paycheck.
Well, I mean, somewhere it's electronic, don't they? Do they send you an email?
No, sir, they do not. I have to request copies of my paycheck stubs.
In other words, you can't pull up your paycheck stub to see if you're being paid correctly the day after you get paid?
No, sir.
All right, so then we will bring it up to not May 13th, but let's say,
Through April, perhaps?
I don't think that he will. Well, yes, you get paid on the first of the month, sir.
I get paid bi-weekly, sir.
Okay, all the way through, as far as you can through April.
Not a problem. Just have to send a
Okay.
request and they always grant it. It's just the
Super.
process.
Okay, what was the date again, Maria? All right, this matter being reset to May 13th, 2021, so that the father can bring production up to date. Okay,
Thank you, Your Honor.
thank you.
Maybe
Excuse,
Yes.
yes.
You guys, you'll need to log back into the other Zoom so you can sign off on the reset.
Okay, I'm not sure what to do. Please help.
Yeah, me neither.
Yeah.
A minute.
I'm not used to being in court. I very
No,
apologize.
no,